given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to...
Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Free Fire Booyah update in Scratch. So friends, before starting our video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification button so when I upload my new video, you can get it right then. So friends, this is the part 2. If you have not watched the part 1, then you might not understand it. So please watch the part 1. You can search it on YouTube or the description will be given in the description box. Now let's start. First, we have to add another black colored background which will be named as characters. Now we are going to upload some sprites. We are going to downloads and now we are going to select this. So this is the character 4. Now to avoid some copyright issues or something to make it more interesting or realistic, we will just copy it, then delete the whole thing and then paste it. Now let's name it as 4. Now let's add the other character. It will be uploaded as a mixed costume. It is very important to remember, otherwise the game might not function properly. So this is Maxim. We are going to copy it, delete it and then paste it. Simple. Now let's name it as Maxim. Now let's see our next character. It is not here. Going to desktops, YouTube. Yes, this is where our next character is. So friends, this is the character Hayato. Copying it, then again deleting the whole thing. Done here. Let's add the next one. So friends, this is the character Paloma. When I took the screenshot, there already these dresses were there, so never mind. Copying it, then pasting it and naming it as Paloma. Sorry, forgot to name this character. Oops, this one seems a little problematic. I have done cut it from me. Let's upload it again. Copying it, delete and then paste. Now it's perfect. Then let's name it Hayato. Now let's go to code. Now when flag click, then all of this will hide, and when backdrop switches to characters, then show. And when I receive characters, then again going to looks and switch backdrop to characters. Let's try it out. Broadcast Hayato. So friends, now we are going to duplicate it. Again going to costumes. Select the Hayato over here and delete it. Now let's write Paloma. Set it here like this. Now going to code and writing Paloma. Duplicating this. Going to costumes. Again doing the same thing. Now again writing which character? Yes, Maxi. Now again going to code and write Maxi. Again duplicating it. Deleting it. writing Andrew. So friends, all these pictures are actually screenshots from the Free Fire game. So there is no pointing in giving the pictures in the description box. You can also take the screenshots. And taking the screenshots very important, just follow this principle and you can make games of whichever update you want. Like you can make the Revolution update, though that is already passed, you can make it. I hope it will help you. Now, first we are going to make them show all. So first we are going to select it like this and put it over here like this and taking all of them over here, taking it over here, and now we are going to add another one. Back. Now when click looks hide. When vector switches to characters, then show. Sorry. When backdrop characters, when backdrop switches to characters, then show. Then again duplicating it. When backdrop switches to backdrop 2, then hide. Sorry. And when this right click, switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So here it is simply done. And now again going back to the characters, and now going to events. When I receive Andrew, switch costume to, sorry, it will not be Andrew, it will be. One more thing, going to sprite 1. Now when key A pressed, then before that we are going to switch backdrops to starting. So let's try it out, see if it actually works or not. No, not working. Oh sorry, now it's working. Forgot to press the A. Yes, works. Yes, it also works. Now we are going to add another sprite which will be empty and name it as character display. Now again going back to the characters, naming the whole thing as characters now. I'm going to code. Now going to events and broadcast. Display characters. Now going to sprite 3. Going to this one. Where it will show when I receive display characters, then hide. Let's try it out and see what happens. Forgot to add the hide here. Now it's going to be perfect. Yes, exactly what I needed up till here. So it's perfect now. Now we are going to add the names of the character selection. Now I'm going to rectangle and select Hayato. Then again I am going to duplicate it. First we will not duplicate it. First when I click then looks, hide. Again going to events, when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, then again it will hide. Now again when backdrop switches to starting, it will hide. And when again going to events, when backdrop switches to characters, it will show. So going to looks and then show. I hope you understood up till here. If not, please rewind the video and filter it. Now you have to go to characters and click hide. Now it is okay. And now again going to events, and when this right click, it will be forward. So now we are going to delete this thing, and now we are going to write forward. And so into code switch costume. When I now, since we cannot do anything about the NGO part, we are going to just keep it there and broadcast new message, that will be 4. So again going to characters, when I receive 4, switch character to switch costume to 4. Now duplicating it, again duplicating it, and duplicating it for the last time. Now when I receive Hayato, switch costume to Hayato. When I receive Paloma, switch costume to Paloma. When I receive Maxim, now saving it. Now let's try the game. Pressing A. Let's try the characters. Something has happened about the Paloma part. Oh sorry, the Paloma is again having the same thing. So let's upload it. There is some problem actually. Now copying it, deleting the whole thing, paste. Now let's see. This Paloma doesn't work actually. Broadcast Paloma. When I receive Paloma, switch costume to WhatsApp image at 9. As we forgot to name that. Now let's name it as Paloma, then it will be fine. Now let's see. Yes. Let's now try it out. It will be perfect this time. Pressing here. Let's see the characters. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's go back. Oh, it doesn't go back. Wait for 1 minute. Oh, I forgot one thing, sorry. Then this right click, switch costume to backdrop 2, and then broadcast. What? So now when I receive what, then show. Now let's see it for the last time. Pressing A. Yes. Now when I receive what, then these will hide. So friends, this is the end of part 2. Please wait for the next part to continue this game. So I will release it pretty soon, so don't worry. Let's end it here.